that's not gas. Like, I joked yesterday about nuclear cars. That'd be crazy. Nuclear cars would be dangerous.
Do you think that if the economy does recover and, kind of go back into a boom again, that people will kind of forget about it, though, just because they won't be as concerned about saving money and doing the right thing because they'll have the disposable income to just waste on gasoline or whatever?
I mean, we can't really say right now, like, what will happen. I mean, obviously it's just a prediction, but if you look at our history, it probably will happen again, just because we've always done that. We become complacent, then something shocks us, and then we're like, oh God, we should probably focus on this a little bit more. And then we get back to where we were and then become complacent again.
I would hope that politically that wouldn't happen, because America is very, very dependent on a bunch of countries that hate us. And I think that's dangerous because, I mean, they can hold it over our heads all they want. And, I mean, eventually, yeah.
So this may seem like a mad question, but with like the solar powered stations, what happens when it becomes night and the sun's not out anymore?
We didn't do too much research into just the stations, but it probably stores energy. Because things that are solar energy now, they can store the solar energy, so there's probably different options for night. But like we said, it still needs to be developed further. Got a question?
Yeah. I read in one of my other classes that I believe it's one of the big three. They're actually dropping their fuel cell technology departments. Is that a sign of decline in the actual event of mass production of solar vehicles or electric vehicles?
Well, do you remember which one it was? Was it GM, I think?
I read it.
Yeah. I do think, I forgot to mention this, but two of the companies aren't hurting as bad as one of them are, of the big three. So that might be just a situation where the government said, you go ahead and, you can kind of drop, and they can't afford to do all this spending on this new research, and maybe they can just combine with another company, and in that way, you create one kind of large powerhouse instead of weak and taken away from the others. So I don't, I'm not really sure, but I would think that if they drop